Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G17 Power, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find passwords, passkeys, and security and privacy. So sorry for that. Now let's go to device unlock and tap on fingerprint. So now we can choose a screen lock, and we need to do it, especially in the situation if you don't have a regular screen lock applied, just like in my case. If you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you need to do it right now. So I'll pick the pattern and let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it, and confirm. We can decide what kind of notification content we want to show, so it's completely up to you. Just mark the option and tap on done, and here just tap on setup. So here we've got the instructions, what we need to do. So we have to locate the sensor, which is on the power button. So let me just put my finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Just move your finger around. Of course, your device will remind you that this part of the fingerprint was already added. So, okay, so we just successfully added the fingerprint. That was quite easy. So just tap on, not add another. I wanted to tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section. As you can see, we do not have a lot of things to do here. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. I believe that you can have up to 5 different fingerprints, something like that. This is the usual count. So all we have to do now is to lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.